Thanks.
Bruh.
What's up guys, Sal here. So the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is the best smartphone you can buy right now. But a T-Mobile salesperson is telling people, and I quote, "It isn't worth it." Chris, who is a writer on ZDNet, went to a T-Mobile store to buy the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and he asked the sales guy to enlighten him about the new Note. As usual, the salesperson started talking about the specs of the handset, and then surprisingly, he steered Chris towards the Note 10 rather than the Note 10 Plus. He said, and I quote, "The Note 10's cameras aren't exactly the same as on the Plus, but the end result is." He said if you are streaming Netflix and watching more than one movie, the Note 10 is better. It'll give you 7 hours of battery, the Plus will only give you 5. Quite surprising, but it didn't end there. Chris asked the sales guy, "Is it true that the Plus can replace your laptop for business?" And his response was, "All phones can." Honestly, after this, I stopped taking this guy seriously. It was obvious that the sales guy was either a total ignorant or a typical eye-sheep. And turns out he was both. Chris asked him what phone does he use, and as you have guessed it, it's an iPhone. He did, however, said that if he gets a second phone, then it would be from OnePlus. He said, and I quote, "OnePlus started in the United States, but now it's mostly in, I think, South Korea."
What?
Wow, all these years I thought OnePlus was Chinese. He further added that OnePlus took all the best of iOS and designed Android software to be just as simple. The conversation again went back to the Note 10, where the sales guy said that the Galaxy S10 is a much better buy than the Note 10 Plus. He said you can just go on Amazon, buy a cheap stylus and use it with the S10. Honestly, this isn't just specific to T-Mobile store, it happens all over the world. Whenever I go to any mobile store and I hear a salesperson explain to other customers about the phones they are interested in, I'll be there standing like, bruh. Whatever it is, spare these salespeople, you do a better job yourself when making the right purchase. 90% of salespersons know absolutely nothing about what they're actually talking. So Bloomberg got the inside information about the successor to the Galaxy Fold. According to them, the new foldable smartphones from Samsung will have a 6.7-inch display that folds inward to form an easily pocketable square. It'll have a clamshell-like design, will be thinner, and most importantly, it will be affordable. There will be a single punch-hole camera inside and dual cameras outside. To broaden the appeal of the design of the handset, Samsung is reportedly working with a fashion designer named Thom Browne. Also, Bloomberg reports that Samsung is testing ultra-thin bendable glass for foldable phones that will eventually replace the plastic polymer that we find on the Galaxy Fold. Speaking of the Galaxy Fold, it will be released on September 27th in the United States according to Evan Blass, who's by the way a very reliable source. Anyway, for more videos like this, please consider subscribing, and as always, I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace out.